I want to show you how to create echo text effect animation in Premiere Pro. Go over to your type tool and type in some text. Then head over to Essential Graphics and make whatever changes to the text that you want. Now set the duration of your text layer to 1 second. Then duplicate the layer by holding Alt and dragging it over. Select the original layer and highlight your text. Then go over to Essential Graphics and uncheck Fill and check off Stroke. From the start of the clip, go over to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon for Position. Then increase the vertical position until your text moves off the screen. Now move your timeline slider to the end of the layer and modify the vertical position to where you want the effect to end. The vertical position frames and right-click. Select Temporal Interpolation and Ease In. Then right-click again, but select Ease Out this time. Now expand Position and move this blue circle all the way to the left like this. Take note of the vertical value for this clip. Now select the duplicate and change the vertical position to the same value as the other. To complete our animation, go over to Effect and search for Echo and add the effect to the first clip. Now under Effect Controls, modify the number of echoes to 6 and change the value of decay to 0.50. Everything is ready. Let's see the result.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.